Hello my friends, it's Kai, how are you? It's just a sound teasing about the 888 EB public contact for the peace on earth, my friends. We continue the fight, my friends. So, this is images about the EB public contact part 2, okay? Please watch it, rate it, comment. We have to create a buzz, my friend, to talk about it, okay? So, I'll let you appreciate the sound, okay? It will be on the new part 888 for December. You have to wake up, my friends. I'm not crazy, my friends, no. So, who follow me? Who is ready to help me to organize the EB public contact, my friends? You are viewers. Don't you want to become actors? So, react, my friends. We are not alone. New teasing in December, my friends, okay? So, be ready, my friends. Watch the sky, watch the stars, and keep the faith, my friends. Imagine, my friends, 1 minute. We do it, my friends. We're gonna change everything. Please come to watch EB Public Contact, my friends. Support us, okay? We have to react. We have to stop to go down like this, okay, my friends? You are not a ship. You are human. Okay? The end of Be ready, my friends, okay? And watch the sky.